Hey guys, and welcome back to the 411 on Tech. In this delicious shiny box of goodness, we have the ASUS ROG Ally. Finally, we got it in. We just got it in yesterday. So today, obviously we haven't had time to play with it yet. We haven't even unboxed it. So today is just going to be an unboxing and our first impressions. But make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell because we plan on doing a full review, emulation video, and also a comparison with the Steam Deck, which I know everybody is excited to hear about. So, without further ado, Damien, kick us off.
Get this thing unboxed. So, packaging looks nice.
Yes, I like the shiny.
See how I can get this off.
It comes with AMD's two newest chips. So there's the Z1 and the Z1 Extreme. We have the Z1 Extreme. That's the only one that you can buy right now. The Z1, I don't know if they said when it's coming out.
It's
I think
soon.
Q3?
Something like that,
Sometime
yeah.
soon.
But you can get this one from Best Buy right now.
Yeah.
It's going to be available at other retailers soon, but right now it's just Best Buy.
Yeah, so if you, this one is $6.99. It's $51 more than the highest version
Steam Deck.
So,
Right, oh.
ooh.
Oh, I did that backwards.
Ooh.
Oh, let's turn that around. So, okay, well I guess I could have taken
Oh, yeah,
it
there's
off.
two.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So let's try it off.
Alright. Now I am a little concerned about, so it's white. It only comes in one color. It is white. I'm just concerned. It looks nice,
Fingerprint.
but well, it's just getting dirty over time. I mean, obviously I'll be able to wipe it, but.
So it's got a nice little bit of plastic on it.
Okay.
Looks like. Let's see. It's off like that.
So right off the bat, it's definitely smaller than the. I got a Steam Deck over here. Oh, you want to just hold it up for comparison?
Yeah, let me get this off.
No, that's size comparison there. Definitely.
It's definitely lighter.
Definitely smaller. The grips are definitely not as. Turn around. The grips are definitely not as.
They're more shallow, yeah.
Shallow.
Well, these are more shallow.
Yeah.
Yeah, more shallow.
So what do you think? How does it feel in the hand?
It's nice. Screen looks nice.
The screen does look nice.
I wish it was like the bezel-less ones like you see on the INEO 2, but it is 120 hertz, but it looks nice.
It's still like less of a bezel. Maybe on the sides.
Yeah.
The top and bottom look. What?
It's still smaller bezels than the Steam Deck screen, yeah.
Let me see.
So,
let me hold her.
there you go.
Ooh, okay, I like the textures of the grips already. Those are nice. The Steam Deck doesn't really.
Inside here, it looks like you have the little cardboard stand that comes with it, or.
Yeah, so so there is a cardboard stand. Thank you, I guess, for providing that. It's just a little odd, but
Yeah, it's got ROG on it.
it's supposed to be a pretty sturdy cardboard.
Is it cardboard or is this some kind of composite plastic?
I heard it's cardboard. I don't know. What is it?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
cardboard.
coming on
Okay,
cardboard.
so don't throw that away. So that's at the top of the box.
Right underneath the lid.
So if you want, if you're going to be docking it or just for display.
And there you have it. Yep, and then, until you get another solution or 3D print something.
All right, but before we get ahead of ourselves, what else is in the box? We'll set this aside for a second.
The piece de resistance. Alright, we got the 65-watt charger.
Yeah, so it is 65 watt. The Steam Deck only comes with
The
a 45 watt.
yeah.
So I think this.
Will charge quicker.
Yeah, we'll say it in our full review, but it definitely is going to charge quicker than what the 45 watt can do with the Steam Deck. So that's nice.
Right.
It's kind of got a little texture. And I think this is just not plastic, but it even says 65 watts. Just so you know, they want to make sure you know it's not the 45 watt.
Yeah, so then another box
of goodies.
Printed materials.
What are we gonna do?
We got printed materials. We got warranty information.
Hold up a coffee table.
Printed materials.
Do we
warranty
get a sticker?
information.
Maybe, or do we at least get a sticker possibly?
Don't
No
see
sticker.
any stickers.
This is not an Apple product.
No, usually they handle it.
So that's it,
ASUS
right?
usually has some stickers.
That's it. That's
I
everything.
believe that is
I feel like there
everything.
should be one more thing. No.
I think that's
I guess that's it. So that's all you get in the box.
So,
Now,
so
back to this lovely device.
Take a peek at
Now
it.
I have smaller hands, so honestly, the shallowness, it feels really good. I think it feels really good. Like,
feels good in the hand.
now it's a bit of a reach for. Well, I guess if I reorient my hands.
Gotta shuffle them hands.
Yeah, for the.
Still a stress for you, huh?
Well, I like the.
The clickiness of the shoulder buttons.
I like the clickiness of the shoulder buttons. The triggers feel good. Now, I'm interested to see if these face buttons are going to stick because we haven't heard
I think they were saying they were addressing that once it went out.
Hopefully.
Like before it came out, some reviewers got them early.
I like the.
And they said they were going to address that in the final, so we'll have to test that out.
Yeah.
So on top, nice. I think this is like a eGPU. That's the connection for the SD card, volume rocker, power button that has fingerprint. Yeah. Fingerprint.
Yes, nice. And then this is not RGB. This is just like a little, but I like it. It's like a
iridescent kind of strip in the back.
Oh, now I was curious about these. So you have your two macro programmable buttons, whatever you want to call them. How do they feel?
Yeah, they have a shallow travel.
Yeah, just from the looks of, I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna like those.
I don't know if I'm gonna accidentally press those or not.
This one kind of feels like if you don't hit it just right, it doesn't really go in. I'm already not liking those. But D-pad feels okay.
Yeah, I mean, with this kind of D-pad, I like it more like separated out, but we'll have to try that out with some 2D games. And
now you have bigger hands. With your grips, does your hands cover the speakers or the vents in the back? No?
No, not really.
Okay. All right, well,
let's get this fired up and set up and
the screen really looks good even before you turn it on. It looks good. It looks it's glossy, but it's not like super like glaring.
Right. Okay, so we're through the typical Windows 11 setup process on a handheld setup. You're pretty simple. You go through things. We set up Windows. I export a bunch of data. Opt out of all the diagnostic things like that the Windows wants to collect on you, and then does the updates. And then here we are at the desktop. So we're gonna try out some games and see how this plays for an initial first look. So let's get into that. Alright guys, so it's another day. We've had a chance to get it set up and use
games installed.
Yeah, games installed and play it a little bit. We're playing Forza Motorsports, not Motorsports, Horizon 5, and the controls felt good to me. It's a different feel in the hand with the grips. They're not as beefy as the Steam Deck. I think that's a little bit more comfortable for me, but
me too, because I have smaller hands.
Yeah, something to grab onto. But it did feel a lot lighter than the Steam Deck, or noticeably lighter.
The display looks great.
The display looks great, but we're gonna need more time with it. But initial thoughts is, the controls felt good, felt pretty solid to play. The game was performing well. The screen is nice, but we're gonna, play with it some more, set it up, put it through its paces, and then we'll have a follow-up video with a more in-depth review.
Yeah.
So that's gonna do it for this one, guys. But please do remember to like, favorite, and subscribe. And there's going to be 2 more videos recommended in this video that you might like, so check those out. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.